Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to earn with Textbroker. If you're looking for a way to make a full-time income from home, Textbroker might be the perfect solution for you. Before we dive into the details, I want to encourage you to click the link in the description. That link will take you to a resource that will help you make money from home the way I do and start making money from home. So, make sure you check it out. Now, let's talk about how to earn with Textbroker. Textbroker is a content writing platform that connects writers with clients who need content. As a writer, you can earn money by creating articles, blog posts, and other types of content for clients. It's a great way to put your writing skills to work and earn money from home. So, how does Textbroker work? It's simple. You sign up for an account and complete a writing sample. Your sample will be reviewed by Textbroker, and if you're accepted, you can start writing for clients. When you're ready to start writing, you'll see a list of available assignments in your account. You can choose the assignments that interest you and start writing. Once you submit your work, the client will review it and either accept it or request revisions. If your work is accepted, you'll receive payment. The amount you can earn with Textbroker varies depending on the type of content you're writing and the client's budget. However, you can expect to earn between 1 cent and 5 cents per word for most assignments. That might not sound like a lot, but it adds up quickly if you're writing consistently. One of the best things about Textbroker is that you can work on your own schedule. You can write as much or as little as you want, and you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. If you have a busy schedule or other commitments, Textbroker is a great way to earn extra money on the side. To be successful on Textbroker, it's important to be a good writer and to meet deadlines. Clients expect high-quality work, so make sure you take the time to proofread and edit your writing before submitting it. You should also communicate clearly with clients and be responsive to their feedback. If you're just getting started with Textbroker, it's a good idea to start with smaller assignments to build your reputation and earn positive reviews from clients. As you gain experience and develop your writing skills, you can start taking on more challenging assignments and earning more money. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to earn a full-time income from home, Textbroker is a great option. It's easy to get started, and you can work on your own schedule. By the way, click the link in the description to learn the way I make money from home today.